Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day and the US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound and really all the dollar pairs did have a pretty good push down today. We knew this move up right here could be a way B, and we knew this could possibly come, especially this morning. So it was actually a pretty expected move. Nice little push to the downside. I am definitely still looking at this as an ABC correction. We are sitting at a fib level. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually did push down maybe a little more, possibly even all the way to the 61.8. But this 50% level right here could definitely hold, and if it does make a breaker structure here, or just down a little more and then makes that breaker structure. Either way, that's what I'm looking for a long opportunity. I still think we're most likely in a subdivision of a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames, and I still think that this is going to end up continuing the trend. We just got to watch the Fibonacci levels to see which area we get that double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with a breakup structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.